Hi, so in this video we'll be teaching you how to make your very own mask strap in 5 minutes. So the materials that you'll need is a string, 2 of these clasps, 1 piler, 1 scissors, and then a hook, lighter, okay? Alright, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this string, okay, and then I'm gonna fold into half. Alright, and then I'll fold it into another half. We make it very small so that we can actually loop it through one of the hook here for the clasps. Okay, now these clasps have this hook below. We'll loop it through. Alright, and then place the hook at the very end, and then after that you will take a plier and tighten it. You will tighten the hook. Okay, and then we'll tie a knot around it. Tie a knot around the hook. Okay, there we go. And then do the same to the other side. Make it very small and then loop it through the other clasp. Tighten the plier to tighten. And then now you tie a hook around it, tie a knot. Okay, so we'll tie a knot around this hook. Okay, and then we'll just cut off a bit and to the other side as well, and then we'll just use a lighter, so be careful with the lighter and we'll burn it off the ends here. Okay, so we'll burn it off. Okay, we'll burn off the frills. I'll do the same to the other side as well. Okay, and there you go, your very own mask strap. Okay, so with this mask strap you can just clip it onto your mask and can hang around your neck, and then you can hang the strap around your neck and you won't have any other place to store your mask ever again. Okay, there you have it, your very own mask strap.